Workshop 1 helped attendees understand the fundamentals of printing and garment application by demonstrating how different polyester garments react under heat and pressure. We were able to stress test a range of styles and show just how difficult they are to scorch. We find that's something that decorators often worry about. With styles on hand, they had their expertise and we could walk attendees through various temperature settings, pressure levels, and giving them a real understanding of what works and fundamentally why. We also highlighted a range of accessories available from styles, and that can help elevate their print quality and overall setup. Attendees were introduced to different types of DTF available to them, and many were particularly keen to see how our newest garments performed. Garments like the H075 polyester t-shirt from Hembury, and the LV690 all-weather robe that comes in from Finden+Hales. Testing these live gave everyone clarity on the correct techniques needed and to achieve the perfect finish. The session also helped answer a lot of questions around print settings for mumbles, something decorators frequently ask us about, giving them clearer guidance and more confidence when working with these products. Overall, it was really important to us that it was hands-on, it was a practical session and packed with valuable takeaways so that anybody looking to strengthen their printing fundamentals could go away with that knowledge.